Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will learn the way how we use Zoom application on mobile phone, and I will like to show you step by step how you can change the Zoom camera background before meeting. You just need to open your Zoom application, and right after that just go click this three small dot with more information, and you just need to go click settings with the meeting sections, and now focus on the video. Just go click background and effects. Now you have like camera simulations before meetings here, so this is the original, so that will be show you the real-time or exact original background for your camera. If you want to change it, that will already provide by the Zoom application the background down part here. You just need to like swipe up, and there will be like a lot of background as well as the history background that you have been used, and then you just need to pick one of them. But then if you already have it on your photo library, just need to go click this plus button, and that will be generate you right away into the photo library. I would to use my collection instead. Go click it, and that will be like automatically apply into the camera, and this is how it will be looked whenever you use the Zoom camera. So that is for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this video a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.